Now it is time for uncertain dramatic tearjerkers with Larry.
Have you seen the scissors?
No.
Cries.
Cries. Do you memorize when?
The rubber bands were still there.
Wait, I just remembered I have no hair.
That has nothing to do with the song. What is wrong with you? You have no brain, you poo-poo.
Where have our paper stabbers gotten lost? Where have all our paper stabbers gone?
Our paper stabbers gone.
Oh God, please no, don't hurt me, please, don't wanna die, please God, I've just started to go to college, please don't hurt me, help me dear God, I'm too young to die.